Finally, Samsung is reportedly working on a double folding phone to add to its lineup. According to Nikkei Asia, the phone would fold into 3 segments using 2 hinges and could be announced as early as the end of this year, that is 2021. The phone would be a third option in Samsung's foldable lineup, joining the Galaxy Z Fold and Z Flip, both of which are also expected to appear in new versions this year. According to the new report, the design is still being finalized, but Nikkei sources say its screen could have more standard 16:9 or 18:9 aspect ratio, making it easier for ape makers to design for than the 25:9 screen found on the Z Fold, which is preferably using for the gaming industry or game setup. We have also seen and made videos on phones with multiple folds before. Xiaomi's folding phone prototype folded at 2 points, but the company has reportedly adopted a more Galaxy Fold-like design for its upcoming foldable. Huawei Mate X2 foldable also uses a similar design to Samsung's. It would be a bit ironic then if Samsung's working on a double folding design after others adopted its single fold style, which means they are going to copy the Samsung's old shape, but the Samsung is moving further on and giving 2-hinge design in the market. It's possible that the Samsung is introducing the new type of foldable to ease its power users into transition to form factor. Samsung says it might be skipping a new Galaxy Note this year, but wasn't exactly clear on why. There was talk of streamlining its phone offerings and of the global chip shortage, but this could be a test to see if Note users are ready for the fold. By giving customers 3 foldable options to choose from, Samsung could be trying to make it as likely as possible that people will find one that works for them. It is also likely the multi-fold phone's release will depend on whether Samsung can figure out how to navigate the chip shortages that have been affecting the entire industry. Folding phones are already more difficult to make than standard phones, and if Samsung's not able to get the chips it needs, it could push the company plans back. Still, it's exciting to hear that Samsung is working on a third type of foldable, as it indicates that Samsung still sees the form factor as the future. What do you think about the upcoming Samsung 3-hinge fold phone? And make sure to leave your idea in the comment box below. We will catch you up in another video. Keep visiting Tigers Schooling.